This year, we wanted to reimagine what a university fair could be. Instead of rows, booths, and brochures, we created a conference experience, one that's essentially really built on dialogue, learning, and true impact. So students aren't just meeting universities, they're meant to be engaging in workshops, mock admissions, and real authentic conversations that help them reflect on who they are and who they're becoming. So with this conference, it's no longer about getting in, it's really about going through the process. So our goal isn't just to make students college ready, it's to ensure that they're life ready.
I would say the format this year is especially innovative because I not only got to learn about campus life at each university, but also gained insights into what living and developing in different countries or regions might be like in the long term. It gave me a clear picture of my future life and helped me think about choosing what truly suits me.
I went to workshops on demystifying our personal statement and studying medical-related majors. I think it definitely clarified some things I didn't know about before. For example, in the medical-related majors, they talked about how, apart from MD, there were actually other forms of doctors, for example, dentists, that didn't necessarily follow the same path as doctors did.
I'm going to participate into a writing workshop of how to write your personal essays and supplementary essays, as well as I get insight to learn about how studying and living in California in the city of LA sounds like, as well as a lot of opportunities that the vibrant city of LA provides for me.
I would say that I'm very impressed with the students. They were very engaged, very interactive in the sessions. They were very participatory. They weren't shy to ask questions or share their thoughts or feedback. So they were very active in the conversations and the mock admission sessions. To host this conference, to invite all these counselors, to have me offer these workshops just shows the commitment of the leadership and the counseling team to bring us all together and support the students. The school management is dedicated to support students in the college admission process.